It's not crowded. Here? They have a live band here. You have an entrance fee for 50 pesos each, and I don't know how much for kids, but it's consumable. It's 40 pesos, I think. We paid 100 for two, and then consumable for 80 pesos. So everything you want to eat, everything you can buy. Yeah, how about you?
I have no idea what you said.
I'm trying to explain about it.
You won't be able to hear what I just said, but I have no idea what she just said because I can't hear anything. I already can't hear anything, and then throw in this loud music, and I definitely can't hear anything.
Explain the entrance fee. It's consumable.
Oh yeah, it's like there was a beach club in Puerto Escondido. It was the same thing. Like you paid to get in, but for them all of it was consumable for some reason. It was really weird. It was like they made sure you're gonna consume it. It was like $20 US, but food and drinks, and you would go through it. Like you'd spend all day there at the beach, laying at the pool or on the beach. It was a nice place actually. Anyway, that's all I got to say about this.
So the American ribs. I don't know. Yeah. You wanna try it? So it tastes good. Better to order. It's their best seller, and then it's good for 3 to 4 person, I think. So yeah, so we're going home now. They will be closed soon. What time is it now? 8:48. So around 9 to 9:30, some other stores, restaurants are gonna close.